Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing both devices. Make sure your AirPods Pro have some charge and the laptop Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the case near your laptop, press and hold the small button on the back until the status light flashes white. This puts the AirPods into pairing mode so the laptop can see them. You do this now to create a discoverable connection. Without it, the laptop won't list the AirPods. Keep the case open during the next steps. You now move to the laptop's Bluetooth menu. Click Add Device or Pair New Device because that triggers a scan. When you see AirPods Pro in the list, select it. The laptop will negotiate the connection and may show a progress indicator. Make sure to accept any permission prompts that allow microphone and audio access, since that enables calls and media. If the laptop installs a driver or updates settings, let it finish. This ensures full audio and mic. You finish by setting the AirPods Pro as the default output and input in sound settings, so all apps use them automatically. Test with a video or call and adjust volume on the laptop rather than the case for finer control. If audio is choppy or the AirPods don't appear, unpair any other nearby devices, restart Bluetooth, and try again. A key troubleshooting move. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until amber then white. Then repeat pairing from the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.